India, the dazzling infra hub of the developing world, building metros, airports, new cities, and new dreams. In the 21st century, our country has undergone so much of change. From only one city having a modern transport to almost every big and medium cities with dazzling metros. The newer and bigger airports, the modern trains, the modern architecture, all of this has transformed the look of Indian cities. But the coronavirus pandemic has shaken the economies of every country in the world. And to an extent, the infrastructure development will also get affected. And no matter how much we hate to say this, but this is a truth that budget allocations of the under construction infra projects will get lower in the coming years. The construction works will slow down. The projects that were on the verge of getting sanctioned will surely be thought for a second time. We are making this video today because we feel it's a bitter truth that metro and infra enthusiastic people like us must accept. We should accept that allocating more money to make people's life better will be more important for a few months. If people's life is better, then the economy will be better. And we will be again in a position to invest in infrastructure as soon as possible. We are not saying that metros will stop or new lines will not come. They will, but surely it will be slower than before. It's the rural India that feeds us. It's the rural India that gives us water. It's our duty to keep our urban dreams in check and divide the wealth available for development. Because we believe there is no better infrastructure than development of citizens. And it will only get developed if we invest in their education, their basic needs, their shelter, and their food. So, when the lockdown ends and the construction starts, if for the following years metros are slow because more of allocations are going in education, for hospitals, for research, we will not protest. It's time for us to rebuild our economy. Everything will get better soon, and India will again overcome this economic downfall. We will have rapid metros all over the country. As long as we are here, we will continue advocating for a better, more convenient and more environment-friendly mode of transport in our country. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and please subscribe to our channel.